this year. So I graduated high school in June. I'm taking a year off to travel, and I'll be hiking the Camino de Santiago, and I'm leaving tomorrow morning. So I thought I'd show you what's in my backpack here, what I'm bringing along. So I'll be gone for 6 weeks exactly in total, just to give you guys a perspective. It's a hike across Spain, and you're staying in hostels the whole way, so it's kind of like backpacking, but you don't have to bring that much camping gear. So the first thing, the most important probably, my hiking boots. They're Solomon X something from REI. I got them super on sale, and I've probably hiked like 50 to 100 miles in them so far, and they're awesome. They're super comfy, so I would recommend them. And then this is my outfit for the plane ride tomorrow. So I have a pair of quick dry cropped leggings, and then this quick dry long sleeve shirt from Nike. I got it used for like $6, so super nice. And then a sports bra, and then a pair of wool socks. And then my backpack, the most important part, is a 35-liter Granite Gear from REI as well. Also super on sale for like $85, which is pretty nice. And I sewed on these nice patches from camp. So I have a Maine Woodsman and a camp that I can't tell you, a camped patch. And then my water bottle is a huge 48-ounce water bottle. I put all my stickers on it, so it's nice and personalized now. Apparently the water stations are really spread out, so I wanted to get a huge water bottle, and it'll probably be super heavy, but I don't need to fill it the whole way. And then in my first, there's a little pocket up here, my like a little electronic pocket. So I have my headphones for those long days when I just gonna listen to some music, some podcasts, you know. Then I have my iPhone charger and a European outlet adapter, so it has one regular outlet and then 2 USB plugs. So that'll be good. And then that's all that's in that pocket. And then in this little bit bigger pocket, I have my sunglasses, $4 from Charlotte Russe. Shout out, really good, lasted for years. And then I have my regular glasses. And here in this little case that is a perfect minimalist backpacking case. And then I have some Ziploc bags for, I think I have like 4 or 5 in here for like snacks and wet clothing and whatever. And then I have some ibuprofen and a few things of melatonin for the plane ride and for those long days on the trail. And then I have this bag of random stuff. So I have blister patch stuff, and then I have some super strength XL safety pins to hang up wet clothing and whatever else I may need them for. And then I have extra contact lenses, some tampons, and then some extra hair ties, and then these little scissors to cut this, and like string if I need to cut string, I don't know. And then in the main pocket I have the rest of my stuff. So I have my poncho, which is kind of heavy and large, but I'd rather bring this than like a rain jacket and rain pants because I thought it would be more efficient. So I have that. And then I have my toiletry bag, which is a Ziploc bag. So I have this travel deodorant, travel contact solution, lotion, chapstick, which I smashed 2 chapsticks into to make the most of my chapstick tube. And then I have this razor that I melted in half to save space. And then I have this little container that I filled with sunscreen, nail clippers, this all-purpose Dr. Bronner's soap, which will serve as my body soap, my hair washing, and my laundry, this travel toothpaste and travel toothbrush, and then 2 pieces of floss, which I will probably reuse, but that's better than not flossing. Maybe. And then I have this super nice quick dry microfiber towel. It's really just the perfect size for my body and hair. It is 30 by 14 centimeters. So I pictured that being a lot bigger when I ordered it, but that is okay. And then I have this cool hat my dad gave me. It is to keep the sun off my face and for the aesthetic. And then I have these flip-flops, which are for the showers and for walking around at night when I don't want to wear my hiking boots anymore. And then all my clothing is in this laundry bag. which I put in here just to keep it all together. So I have this buff that I got from camp as well, which will be my neck warmth in the morning and my sleep mask at night when the lights are still on, and a headband and whatever else. Very good. And then I have another sports bra, so I'm bringing 2 sports bras in total. And then I have this pair of quick dry shorts, and I'm bringing 2 of these, but one of them's in the wash. So 2 pairs of shorts and 1 pair of leggings, and then 2 quick dry t-shirts that I got from the thrift store for like $4 each, so that's nice. And then for my socks, I'm bringing 2 pairs of these wool socks, which will be good, and then 2 pairs of liners, which will prevent blisters, hopefully. We'll see. And then my sleeping bag, which packs super small, which is awesome. It's for 55-degree weather, which should be perfect on the trail, because I don't think it's supposed to be that cold, but I don't really know. We'll see. So yeah, from REI, great purchase. And then lastly, I have this bag of important documents and paper stuff. So I have like my passport and a boarding pass for tomorrow, and then I have a ticket, my train ticket, and then a bunch of electronic tickets for my flights and stuff. And then I didn't want to buy a guidebook, so I made my own. My page almost just tore out of here, but I printed off a lot of information about, and I kind of built my own route, and then I attached them. I binded them with this nice ribbon, and then as I go, I'll probably just tear off the pages and throw them away to save weight, because paper is heavy when it's all together. And then I have this notebook to document my travels, and I like writing, so that'll be good. And then I have 3 pens for a backup and a backup pen. And that is all. It is empty. And yeah, that backpack's pretty awesome. I have more pockets right here that I'll keep probably my passport and my phone in. So yeah, that is all. This is gonna be my life for 6 weeks. Buen Camino.